Hey guys, I am here to introduce to the camera Canon PowerShot G3X. Let's get down to the video. The PowerShot G3X camera's 1.0-inch sensor achieves a beautiful balance between high sensitivity and high image quality. The sensor is able to collect more light in a shorter time period without the overflow that causes blown-out highlights. This means better detail and sophisticated tonal quality, with rich gradations even at high ISO speeds all the way to 12,800. A high signal-to-noise ratio delivers minimal noise and distortion with breathtaking dynamic range, particularly notable in bright areas. And photography enthusiasts will appreciate the changes in image processing for the PowerShot G3X, which include target exposure value and contrast characteristics of highlights. Thanks to this change, dynamic range in bright areas is expanded with gradation attributes that are similar to EOS. The PowerShot G series cameras have larger sensors than found in most digital compact cameras, with the PowerShot G1X Mark III including an APS-C sensor more commonly found in interchangeable lens cameras. These larger sensors mean large individual cells, allowing the capture of more light at the pixel level. They help produce more dramatic images with better detail, even at higher ISOs, utilizing an improved dynamic range while reducing noise and distortion. The Digix7 and Digix6 image processors enable, enhance and speed up operations across the board for better performance whether shooting stills or moving images. They provide higher light sensitivity for high-resolution pictures with minimal noise in dark conditions, and power quick continuous shooting so you can capture brilliant action shots with ease. The PowerShot G series cameras can do more, faster, thanks to the resolving power of the Digix7 and Digix6 image processors. You can find where to get this wonderful product in various online and physical stores mentioned here. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly give your comments and feedback. See you again in next video.